Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 4, Lesson 13. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to use counting on and make 10 strategy when adding across a 10. Now looking at this, there's 17 plus 2. Now on the last lesson, we were talking all about decomposing or drawing a picture and adding up those 10s. Then the rest of the ones. Well, this time we have ones that are alike and not 10. So now we're going to be adding the ones first, then adding it all together. And I'm going to show you with doing a picture and the decomposing strategy. We're going to decompose first and then check it with a picture, just like the last video. So looking at this, it says 17 plus 2 equals blank. So I only have one number that has 10s and 1s, which right now is 17. So my 17, I am going to break up into my 10s and 1s. So I know that 17, the 10 way, is 10. I'm going to put my 10 right here. 10, 7. And I'm putting my 7 on this side just because I know I'm going to be adding my 1s up this time. So I just want to make it easier just to where it looks neat and to where everything's organized. So now I know to make it easier, I'm going to add my 1s together. Since I know that is the thing that is alike right now. I have 1s that are the same. So I have 7 1s and 2 1s. So I'm going to add those together. I know that 7 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9. I counted on to figure that out. Most of you should know this already. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now I'm going to add my 10s and my 1 together. 10 plus 9. Up, say it the 10 way. 10, 9. Up, I know 10, 9 is 19. So I know my answer is 19. But let's double check with drawing a picture. So that's 17. I'm going to draw 17. I know 17 has 1 10 and 7 1s. 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know that 2, of course, only has 1, 2 1s. Now I put an X for each of my second part, which was 2, just so we can see clearly that there was 2 that was for my second part. So it just made it easy for you to understand what was your first part, what was your second part. And now I'm looking at 19. I know that 19 has 1 10, so I'm going to put that in my place by each chart, and 9 1s. So 19 has 1 10, 9 1s. Alright guys, that's it for this video.